When you're in sales, hearing a no is part of the game, but not all no's are created equal. One of the most important distinctions you must understand early on is the difference between an objection and a rejection. An objection is a customer's expression of concern or hesitation. It's often specific, such as, "It's too expensive," or "I'm not sure this fits our needs." This shows they're still in the decision-making process, and your job is to guide them forward. On the other hand, a rejection is typically final. It sounds like, "We're not interested," or "We've already made a decision." This signals that the conversation might be over, at least for now. The key here is learning not to treat every pushback as rejection. Most salespeople get discouraged because they assume every concern is a deal breaker. But if it's an objection, it's actually an opportunity.